Hey guys, we are live from CES 2013 Las Vegas, and we are here at the Kobe stall that is producers of Android tablet and Android smart televisions. So here we have the new Kobe MID 7065 Android tablet, which comes with a 7-inch high resolution display with a resolution pixel of 1024 by 600. So before we get started, let's check out what are the actual hardware functions of this tablet. So the 7-inch screen, as I told you before, and on the top you have got the volume rocker keys as well as the power button. And let's move towards the right, where most of the features of this tablet are there. As you can see that there's a micro mini HDMI slot, there's a reset button, and there's a micro USB slot, which also acts as a USB on the go, just in case if you're having the adapter. Apart from that, this also has the 3.5mm headset jack and a DC input charger slot. Along with that, you have also got a mic. Coming to the bottom, this has got a memory card slot, which can house a maximum of 30GB of micro SD card slot. Towards the left, you have no features whatsoever. So coming back to the tablet, what exactly this tablet makes is different is this tablet is priced very modestly, that is around $140 odd, and it's ready to launch in around February. Talking of hardware specification, this comes with a dual-core 1.2 GHz of processor speed, and also the touch, which is generally resistive touch at this price points. But this tablet has got a capacitive touchscreen and also has got 1GB of RAM and 8GB of internal storage. And also, adding to the best parts, this also had the front-facing camera and also a rear-facing camera. The rear-facing camera is not there. The only front-facing camera is there. Now, also, this supports a multi-touch capability, wherein the pinch-to-zoom feature can be availed. And apart from that, this also comes with all standard features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. And the only disadvantage of this tablet is that this tablet doesn't come with a SIM card slot, which means that just in case if you wish to access the internet on the move, it won't be possible unless you have got a Wi-Fi hotspot, and this doesn't got a SIM card slot. So apart from that, the applications which come by default include the Office Suite, the Gallery application, Gmail, Google Play Store, CloudLink toolbar. Along with that, this also got some of the games, that is Glow Hockey, Temple Run, Fruit Ninja, which otherwise are generally not there in other tablets. Even the touch experience is pretty much good compared to other budget Android tablets. So we just hope that this one gets launched at the earliest. Though the exact availability details is not there yet, but it's slated to launch initially in the US market, and then it will be launched in the Asian as well as European market. So that was about the Kobe MID 7065 tablet. That's it from us, guys. Stay tuned for more updates.